Hello everyone. In 10th Maths Chapter 1 Relation and Function, today we are going to learn how to do the examples and exercise problems from the topic function. See the example 1.9. Given f of x equal to 2x minus x squared, find f of 1, f of x plus 1, f of x plus f of 1. In this question, function condition f of x is given, then we have to find the value of f of 1, f of x plus 1, f of x plus f of 1. In solution, first you take down and write the given f of x equal to 2x minus x squared. So now first subdivision f of 1. In this, replacing x with 1. Replacing x with 1, that is f of 1 equal to, instead of x you apply 1, then 2 into 1 minus 1 square, then we get 2 minus 1, that is 1. Therefore, f of 1 is equal to 1. Hence, the answer of f of 1 is equal to 1. Then next subdivision, f of x plus 1. Given f of x equal to 2x minus x squared. Replacing x with x plus 1, we get 2 into, instead of x you apply x plus 1, then 2 into x plus 1 minus x plus 1 the whole square. So now you simplify, then 2 into x, 2x plus 2 into 1, 2, then minus. Okay, next x plus 1 the whole square, it is in the form of a plus b the whole square, which means a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So here a is equal to x and b equal to 1. So now you apply, you put bracket, a squared, instead of a here x, therefore x squared plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 plus b squared, 1 squared. Now you simplify, 2x plus 2 minus of x squared plus 2x plus 1. So next you remove the bracket. For removing, you multiply minus sign. Then we get minus x squared minus 2x minus 1. Now you simplify the like term, x squared minus x squared plus 2x minus 2x cancel, 2 minus 1 we get 1 plus 1. Then the answer of f of x plus 1 equal to minus x squared plus 1. So now we move on the last subdivision, f of x plus f of 1, which means f of x, in the question given f of x is equal to 2x minus x squared, that when you take down and write, f of x is 2x minus x squared plus, instead of f of 1 value already we find in the first subdivision, that is f of 1 is equal to 1, that is you put plus 1. So now the answer is minus x squared plus 2x plus 1, write in standard form. So now we get the answer of f of x plus f of 1 is equal to minus x squared plus 2x plus 1. This is the answer for f of x plus f of 1. From this we know that f of x plus f of 1 not equal to f of x plus 1. See here, f of x plus 1 equal to minus x square plus 1. F of x plus f of 1 is equal to minus x square plus 2x plus 1. So, f of x plus f of 1 not equal to f of x plus 1, which means f of a plus f of b not equal to f of a plus b. Now, we move on exercise 1.3 fourth sum. See the question. A graph representing the function f of x is given below. It is clear that f of 9 equal to 2. See, this is the given graph. X axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. They given up to 10 point. In y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Here also they give up to 10 point. The graph equation is y equal to f of x. So now come to the first subdivision. Find the following values of the function f of 0. See here a equal to f of b. In the node point already we know that f of a is equal to b. So which means a belongs to x coordinate and b belongs to y coordinate. Then the ordered pair a comma b. See here f of a equal to b. A belongs to x coordinate, b belongs to y coordinate. Then the ordered pair a comma b. So a is pre-image of b and b is image of a. Now you find the value of f of 0, that is 9. How you find it? See the graph. F of 0, 0 is x coordinate. So this point 0 intersect the graph at 9 in y coordinate. Therefore, the value of f of 0 equal to 9. The next one, f of 7. See in the graph, in x coordinate 7, intersect the graph. In x coordinate the point 7 is intersect the graph at 6 in y coordinate. Therefore, the point is 7, 6. Therefore, the value of f of 7 equal to 6. The next one, f of 2. In y coordinate, the point 2 is intersect the graph at 6 in y coordinate. Therefore, the point is 2, 6. Then, the value of f of 2 also 6. Then lastly, f of 10. The point 10 in x coordinate intersect the graph at 0 in y coordinate. Therefore, the value of f of 10 is equal to 0. See the next subdivision. For what value of x is f of x equal to 1? Here we have to find out the point x coordinate and y coordinate is 1. See the graph. The point 1 is in y coordinate. From this point we see the graph is intersect at 9.5. 9.5 in x coordinate. In x coordinate. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 9.5. Next subdivision. Describe the following domain and range. In function, domain is defined as all the element of x coordinate. See here, in x coordinate 0 to 10 belongs to real number, because in between also we have some point. So domain is equal to 0 to 10. So you write in set builder form x such that 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 10 where x belongs to real number. Next, range. So range is defined as second element of relation ordered pair, which means y coordinate elements. See here, all the y coordinate points comes up to 9. Therefore, in set builder form, x is such that 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 9, x belongs to real number. Then last subdivision, the image of 6 under f. The image of 6 under f, which means f of 6 equal to, see the question in x coordinate, the point 6 intersect the graph 5 from the y coordinate. Next coordinate 6 intersect the graph 5 from the y coordinate. The point 6 intersect the graph 5 from the y coordinate. Therefore, the value of 6 is equal to 5. This is the answer for this question. Next, we see the homework sum. All of you take the homework side page and check it. In exercise 1.3 first sum, let f equal to x comma y such that x comma y belongs to natural number and y equal to 2x. Be a relation on n. Find the domain, codomain and range. Is this relation a function? Solution. In this question, relation ordered pair is given in set builder form, that is x comma y such that x comma y belongs to natural number y equal to 2x. Then we have to find domain, codomain and range, and we have to check whether it is a function or not. See, from this given x, y belongs to natural number. Therefore, x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 like that going on. Okay. So, now we find the ordered pair. Condition y equal to 2x. So, from the first element 1, then y equal to 2 into 1 we get 2. Therefore, the ordered pair 1 comma 2. The next element 2. 2 into 2 4, therefore the ordered pair 2 comma 4. Next element 3, then 2 into 3 6, the ordered pair 3 comma 6. 4 into 2 8, the ordered pair 4 comma 8 and so on. Mine is defined as all the element in first set. Here the first set is x coordinate, it is belongs to natural number, therefore the domain of the function 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Then codomain of the function is defined as second set of all the element. So here second set is y coordinate. Y coordinate also belongs to natural number. Therefore, the codomain also 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. We see the range of function. So, range is defined as second element in the ordered pair of function. So, that means the second element in the ordered pair of function is, see, 2, 4, 6, 8 going on. So, that is the range of function is 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So, from this we get conclude each element in x coordinate there exists only one in y coordinate. Therefore, as this relation is a function. Then second question, let x is equal to 3, 4, 6, 8. Determine whether the relation are x comma f of x such that x belongs to set x and f of x equal to x squared plus 1 is a function from x to natural number. So in this question, first element x element is given, then for next coordinate f of x condition is given. So here we have to find out whether this relation is a function from x to natural number. See the solution. First you take down and write the first set x element 3, 4, 6, 8. Then condition f of x equal to x squared plus 1. Then you find the ordered pair f first element 3. So f of 3 equal to 10. Then the ordered pair 3 comma 10. Instead of x you apply 3 and simplify. Then f of 4 is equal to 4 squared plus 1 equal to 17. Then the ordered pair 4 comma 17. F of 6 equal to 37. The ordered pair 6 comma 37. F of 8 equal to 65. Then the ordered pair 8 comma 65. Therefore, the relation ordered pairs are 3 comma 10, 4 comma 17, 6 comma 37, 8 comma 65. See, and here also every element x belongs to set x. There exists only one y belongs to natural number. Therefore, s is a function from x to n. That's all the answer for this question. Okay students, today homework exercise 1.3, third sum and fifth sum, which is related to example 1.9. Thank you.